You are a unity of body, mind, and spirit, and your body has a tendency towards health rather than the Western model, which is more towards disease. And then when we fast forward kind of like to our meditative practice and the reason we do it, I like to define meditation. And with meditation, I've heard a lot of different definitions, but the one I love the most is to become familiar with. And so I want everyone listening to become familiar with that thing that is their dream. And whether they're working on a chronic health condition, an acute health condition, or whether they're working on a relationship, or they just want to take themselves to some next level, be clear on what you want. And then you become more and more familiar with it over time. And it doesn't mean, like, some people talk about focus, and focus is really important, but that sometimes we can lose our focus, right? But it's just, if we're becoming familiar, it's just more and more over time, we get more and more used to being the way we want to be and less the way, say, maybe we were last week or a couple years ago. And so I think that that's really important, because I find that a lot of people who are suffering, and whether that's from not getting what they want in the world, whether it's health or wealth or prosperity and friendships, relationship, whatever, these things really do focus around almost like doing a negative meditation, right? So we're focusing on what we don't want, and we become more and more familiar with this status quo or the thing we don't like. So my challenge to everyone is to take a moment and think about the thing that you truly want in your life, what you're really dreaming of. And again, it could be for you, it could just be, by the end of the day, I want to feel amazing, right? It doesn't have to be like, oh, I want $100 million in the bank account, or I want to overcome like my mold and Lyme that I've been dealing with for 10 years, like in the next 5 seconds.
Right.
And so let's become familiar with it. And then I guess the second part is, how does the body actually participate with the universe and create our outcomes? And that will help us, really solidify how to use meditation for more than just feeling good. Like, meaning there's a lot of stress relief, but I want to take meditation and get you into a place where you can actually use it as a shortcut to creating the results you want.